Shade Sheds by Transportable Shade Sheds. Transportable Shade Sheds is a game changer in the global manufacturing industry. Our award-winning product boasts a state-of-the-art bending and swaging technology that has sold over 70,000 units and counting, due to its strength and practical application. Presenting one of our main products, the Shade Sheds. Perfect for protecting your boats, cars, caravans and other vehicles. This product comes in a compact and ergonomic packaging, made from galvanized box steel tubing, tested to last and endure the sun and other weather conditions. This carport shed has the SlipFit connection system feature. No cutting or welding is required during its assembly. This product is designed for either temporary application, using the ground anchors, or permanent application which uses the concrete piers to hold down the structure. And you can also erect this on uneven ground. The beauty of this shade shed is its simplicity, and that anyone can easily erect this in a matter of hours. This product is time-saving, cost-effective, and most of all, fully transportable. These shade sheds are 100% Australian designed, comes with engineered plans, and meets Australian standards. You'll be glad you purchased the original, no rust bend, transportable shade shed. This product comes in 3 common sizes, the W6, W8 and W10. You can also customize the size according to your need. Not only this can accommodate large pickup trucks or caravan, this shade shed has also a wide variety of uses, due to its practical design and customizable size. No limit, make your shade sheds as long as you need. Anytime. Big sale happening now. Short on cash? 0% interest-free financing option available. Call now for the best deals and prices. 1300 667 433 or visit shadesheds.com. Like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to get updates on our latest content.